Hi guys, in today's video, I will show you how to register an account. Hello friends, in the video of the day. Hi guys, in today's video, friend, and you're going to click. When you click on the link next to you, then you'll get more benefits. People, I will reduce the cost by 10%. Promotion through the link, refer everyone. Little. I'll click on it now. Next, it's going to look like this. Here you will enter the country. I live in Vietnam, so I'm going to go Vietnam. Then you come here. Then you check in. Next you click on Next. Then you can enter your email. After the email sign up, then you open the email. You will open your inbox and get a code. Why do you copy this verification code? Paste it here. I'll enter your phone number. To use it, you click here. I will now receive a digital verification code. It's your phone. Next you will create a password. Note your password. Your password must be secure. Chat in the part here is everyone's inventory. When you are done, press Next. So, I've just instructed everyone. Next, I will show everyone how. You first click on the avatar section here. If you see personal verification and organizational verification, then you click on personal verification. Prepare yourself, give me your ID. Then you click on verify. Which country do you live in? You choose that country, and here I use my citizen ID to verify. Then you click Next. You can use your citizen ID, your passport. Comment, everyone should use a citizen ID. Let everyone use their citizenship. Then you click Next. Scan this QR to be able to operate on the phone, so that people can operate on their phones. QR scan on computer, finish. Then you operate according to the requirements on the phone. After birth, you can comfortably have Vital on top. Crypto trading on the phone. You guys. And I've just instructed people to sign up for an account, how to verify the identity of a poker plant, AUX, and how to verify identity on the computer interface. If you find this video interesting and useful, don't forget to give yourself a like. Please leave a comment below the video. To be able to support everyone. See you in the next video.